Hello. I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from eBay to Shopify. This is going to be a very quick video and very easy video. So first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to log in into your Shopify store. That's the first step. We just want to download an app on your Shopify store so that we can import products easily from eBay. Okay, this is going to be free for like the first 5 days or 7 days, so it's enough for you to import all the products from eBay to your own Shopify store, and then you can cancel the subscription so that the app doesn't charge you. So you can use it for free and then cancel the subscription before cancel before free trial ends. Okay, so you just need to click here on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now in the top you want to search for Robo. Okay, this app allows you to import products basically from any website to your own Shopify store. This could be another Shopify store or Amazon or AliExpress. This app allows you to import products anywhere. Okay, this is the logo of the app and this is the name of the app. It's called Robo Product Importer. Click on install. Okay, just install the app. Now after you install the app, what you need to do is you want to click here. It says step 1, install our free Chrome extension. Click on get extension here. It's going to take you directly to Chrome Web Store, and then you want to click on add to Chrome, and then after that you want to click on add extension. Alright, now in the top right you will be able to see the extensions icon here. You just need to click on it, and after that you want to find the Robo Product Importer extension, which is this extension you downloaded right now, and then click on pin. Okay, this pin icon here, click on it. Now after you see the extension here, then what you need to do, you want to go to eBay, find any product that you want to import to your own Shopify store. It could be this product, for example. Just click on the Robo extension in the top right, and then click on add to Shopify. Now it says here processing. Now before pushing this product to your own Shopify store, you can make changes to it in case you want that. For example, the title, you can always make changes to the title, and you can always make changes to the price here, as you can see. Also the compare price, you can change the compare price and the weight of the product. You can make changes if you want before pushing this to your own Shopify store. The description here, this is the description of the product, and the images, you can select all images here. And after you are done, click on import and then click on add product to Shopify. Now this product has been imported successfully. So what you need to do, you want to go to your own Shopify store, click on product, and you will be able to see this exact product. I'm going to show it to you right now. We have imported it successfully from our eBay to Shopify. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. And yeah, make sure you drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial. Like I said, drop your comment below and I will answer your question. See you.